Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to discuss part 2 of our COVID summary report, where today we'll be discussing monthly summary, right? So let me brief you the problem statement once, right? So as I've already written the code, let me run this one. You can see we have been given record dates and case count based on those dates, right? So it is 2021 December 1st, where we had 23k cases. Then 15th of the same month, we have 23 case, no change, right? Then 15th of 2022 November, we have 24k cases. Similarly, this day we have 26k cases, 24k cases, 24k cases, right? This is just a like sample data set using which what you have to produce, that also I'll be showing, right? So the expected output is this one, right? So what is this? You have to create date, how many cases were there in that particular sorry month, on in that particular month how many cases were there, right? Total cases. And what is increase decrease percentage month by month, right? So if you can see in December 2021, like 46k cases were there, and next record as per the sample data set we have is for November 2022, right, where we had around 50k cases. So total 4k increase, but in percent how much that is, right? We have to calculate that. Similarly, December 2022, 48k cases, how much increase? It has decreased actually by 4.16%, so that's why in negative, right? So we have to create this, right? Now challenge is like I have to define this problem statement in such a simple way, even a fresher can understand, right? I have tried to break this formula, or let's say calculation, in very simple manner, right? Let me explain that how we can do that, right? So let's say first we are going to select everything from daily cases, correct? Now we need months and year, right? How do we achieve that? So this is how you have to think, like what all we have to achieve one by one, and then we can collate all the things. Date part. So date part function basically like helps you achieve like different part of dates, like year, month, or date you can extract, right? So right now we are going to extract month, and from where record date, right? And this one I'll give name as month. Similarly, we will also need year, because only month is not going to help us, because every year will have similar months, right? 11, 12, December, November, correct? So just to distinguish that, record date, and this one as year. Now if I run this one, you'll see that this and this we already had. Now we have got month and year for that, correct? Now let me write a common table expression for this one so that it is more readable with CT summary as, and then from this one what we have to do now what we are trying to do is, now we have to group all these records and make a monthly summary, right? So that also I have breaked in next piece of code, correct? Let me show how I'm going to do that. So for now let me select this one with select. Now what we are going to do is select month, and then year, and then sum of cases. So cases is case underscore count, count, and then let's give this some name like case by month, because we are creating by month, right? And all these we are selecting from where? Selecting from the above city, right? From this one, and then group by year and then month. Let's run this one and see if we are getting expected output. Yeah, so what we wanted to do, we wanted to summarize the above record based on months, right? So if you see, okay, if you see here first, 2021 December, we had 46K cases, correct? Then November 2022, 50K cases. Similarly, December 2022, 48K cases. So now we have this monthly summary of the data. What is our final output? Once again, I'll show that to you. Monthly summary, and along with that, what is increase or decrease? Correct. So now let me put this one also in a separate uh, with statement. So for that we have to put a comma and let's say month underscore summary, and then I missed to put as keyword, and this one also I'll bind. Now final output will be coming from this one. We'll be selecting something from this one. So till here I guess you're clear that we have created a monthly summary. Now we have to calculate that increase decrease percentage. So select, what are we selecting? Everything from this table, or let's do this way, like month and year. I'll now concatenate. So concat, let's start with the year first, year, then comma, then hyphen, and then month, month as month, right? Then what else we are going to select? We are going to select our final calculation, correct? So first let me select this one also, case by month, and then final calculation. So increase, as we already saw in daily calculation, it was like final value minus previous value. So that is like change, whether it has increased or decreased, and then we divide that value by the older value, like the old value, and multiply by 100. So that is our increase percent or decrease percent, right? So now we are going to do that calculation, correct? So how that is being done? So new value is case underscore by underscore month, right? Then old value, as we saw in daily summary, lag function, right? Case underscore by underscore month, correct? And then over what? Over record dates, right? Then okay, here we have since summarized everything. So now it will be ordered by year and month ascending, correct? And for our calculation purpose, let's convert all this to float as float, correct? Now this number must be divided by the old value, right? So old value is again this one, correct? Now all this thing we need to give a name. Okay, now multiply by 100 is left, because for percent we need to do that, and then give some name like increase percent, and let's run this one from where? From monthly summary. a monthly summary, correct? And then let's order by year comma month. Let's see that. I hope the syntax is correct. Okay, correct syntax near year. 23, line number 23. Okay, order by we have left by. Let's see now. Once again, control R, line number 24. Okay, same error here as well because we copied and pasted. Yeah, now we have got the output where we have month, correct? December 2021, 46K cases. Since this was first record, so there is no increase or decrease calculated against that one, right? Then November, how much change? 4K change, but in percent, how much? 8.7, almost 8.7%, right? Then next month, December, it has decreased by 2K, but in percent, how much? That is around 4%, right? So this is how you can break the problem statement and solve it very easily, right? Hope this explanation was helpful to like even beginner level people, and that's what I targeted, right? See you in our next video. Thank you so much.